Good morning, dear students. In today's lecture, we are going to carry out a rough study of those drugs which are used in treatment of cancer. First of all, what is the meaning of anti-cancer agents, antineoplastics, or cytotoxic drugs? The drugs which are used in the management of tumor or neoplasm or cancer when surgery or radiotherapy is not possible or it has proved ineffective are known as anti-cancer drugs. ज्यावेळेस एखाद्या पेशंटमध्ये कॅन्सर डिटेक्ट होतं आणि त्यावेळेस सर्जरी करून ते कॅन्सर सेल्स रिमूव्ह करणं पॉसिबल नसेल किंवा रेडिएशन थेरपी जर पॉसिबल नसेल तर अशा वेळेस अँटी कॅन्सर ड्रग्स यूज करतात किंवा सर्जरी आणि रेडिओथेरपी दिल्यानंतर सुद्धा ॲज अ प्रोफॅलॅक्सिस टू प्रिव्हेंट the anti-cancer drugs are used. These agents are used where tumor is inoperable or where micrometastasis process has started. Surgery is also preferred where tumor is well defined and accessible. Radiotherapy is superior to antineoplastic drugs as it effectively destroys a tumor with minimum damage to the surrounding normal tissues. Example, cyclophosphamide, fluorouracil, etc. Classification. The first class, that is alkylating agents. Now what is the meaning of alkylating agents? Alkylating agents act by the mechanism known as alkylation. These agents act by the transfer of alkyl group, for example methyl, ethyl, etc., to biologically important cell constituents such as amines, sulfhydryl or phosphate group whose function is then impaired. Under physiological conditions, alkylating agents are positively charged and they react with any molecules that are negatively charged or have regions of high electron density like nucleophiles. Therefore, there is the arrest of cell division and multiplication, thereby the cells get death. Cells means the cancer cells death takes place. DNA is the main target site for alkylating agents and RNA synthesis is least affected by alkylating agents at normal dose levels. Alkylating agents are subclassified into 5 classes: nitrogen mustards, cyclophosphamide, chlorambucil, alkyl sulfonates, busulfane, nitrosoureas, carmustine, lomustine, ethylene imines, thiotepa, triazinoimidazoles, dicarbazine. These are your alkylating agents which are positively charged and has the ability to react with negatively charged or the places where high electron density is present. Second class, antimetabolites, classified into 3: folic acid antagonist, example methotrexate; purine based antagonist, that is mercaptopurine, azathioprine; pyrimidine basis, that is fluorouracil. This is the classification. In the next slide, we will see the remaining classification. Antibiotics, mitomycin, actinomycin, etc. Vincalcaloid, that is your fruit drug, vincal leaves containing chemical constant, that is vincristine, vinblastine, are used in treatment of cancer. Certain hormones like progesterone, testosterone, prednisolone, etc. enzyme that is L-asparginase, miscellaneous drug that is hydroxyurea, cisplatin, procarbazine. Then the first drug that is chlorambucil, belonging to the class of alkylating agents. If you see the properties, it is white crystalline powder. It is freely soluble in ethanol, in acetone and in chloroform, practically insoluble in water. Uses: it is used to treat cancers or cancer disease, for example ovary cancer, leukemia, breast cancer, etc. Stability storage: it is affected by air and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Official preparation: chlorambucil tablet, which is official in your IP and BP. Brand names: Leukeran, that is a famous trade name or brand name of chlorambucil. Next drug, cyclophosphamide. Properties: it is white crystalline powder. It is freely soluble in ethanol, soluble in water, slightly soluble in ether. Uses: it is used to treat breast cancer, ovary cancer, lung cancer, leukemia. It is also used as an immunosuppressive agent to reduce disease activity in rheumatoid arthritis, tissue immunodisorder, nephrotic syndrome, etc. Stability storage: it is discolored on exposure to light and is unstable at temperature about 30 degrees Celsius. Hence, it should be stored in well-closed light-resistant containers in a cold place. Official preparation: cyclophosphamide tablet IPBP, cyclophosphamide injection, which is official in your IP and BP. Brand name: Cycloxan, Endoxan, Asta. This is your brand names. Then next, that is busulfane. Properties: it is white crystalline powder. It is freely soluble in acetone and in chloroform, very slightly soluble in water, in ethanol and in ether. Uses: it is used to treat chronic granulocytic leukemia, chronic myeloid leukemia, thrombocytomia, etc. Stability storage: same as like chlorambucil. Official preparation: busulfane tablet IPBP. Brand name: Mylucon, Myliosam, etc. Then the second class, that is anti-metabolites. The name itself, it is acting on the metabolites, therefore it is known as anti-metabolite. First drug, that is fluorouracil. Properties: it is white crystalline powder. It is sparingly soluble in water, slightly soluble in ethanol, practically insoluble in chloroform and in ether. Uses: it is used as anti-neoplastic or anti-cancer agent. Stability storage: it gets discolored on exposure to light and unstable at temperature about 30 degrees Celsius. Therefore stored in well-closed light-resistant containers in a cool place. Official preparation: fluorouracil injection IPBP, fluorouracil cream BP. Brand name: Fluoroflex. Brand name, that is famous brand name, that is Fluoroflex. Then the next drug, that is methotrexate. Properties: it is yellow to orange brown crystalline powder. It dissolves in dilute solutions of mineral acids and alkali hydroxides and carbonates. It is practically insoluble in water, in ethanol and in ether. Uses: it is used in treatment of breast cancer, testis cancer, lung cancer, etc. It is also used in treatment of leukemic meningitis. Stability storage, same as under fluorouracil. Official preparation: methotrexate injection IPBP, methotrexate tablet IPBP. Brand names: Biotrexate, Neotrexate. Next one, that is mercaptopurine. Mercaptopurine occurs as yellow crystalline powder, odorless. It is slightly soluble in ethanol, practically insoluble in water and in ether. It dissolves in dilute solutions of alkali hydroxides. It gets discolored on exposure to light and unstable at a temperature about 30 degrees Celsius. Therefore, store in well-closed light-resistant containers in a cool place. Uses: it is used as an anti-neoplastic and immunosuppressive agent. Official preparation: mercaptopurine tablet IPBP. Brand names: Purinethol is a trade name. Then next drug, that is azathioprine. Azathioprine occurs as pale yellow powder, odorless. It is slightly soluble in ethanol and in chloroform, practically insoluble in water. It dissolves in dilute solutions of alkali hydroxides. Uses: as an anti-neoplastic and immunosuppressive agent. Stability storage: it is affected by light, therefore stored in well-closed light-resistant containers. Official preparation: azathioprine tablet BP. Brand name: Azamune. Imiram is your trade name. Then the last drug, that is cisplatin. Cisplatin properties: it is yellow powder or orange yellow crystals. It is slightly soluble in water, practically insoluble in ethanol. Stability storage: it is affected by moisture and light, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used as an anti-neoplastic or anti-cancer agent in treatment of testicular carcinoma, ovarian carcinoma, bladder carcinoma, cervical cancer, lung cancer, head and neck cancer, etc. Official preparation: cisplatin injection IPBP. Brand name: that is Aquaplate. And two antibiotics, that is actinomycin and mitomycin, which are used in treatment of cancer. We will see under the chapter of antibiotics. Thank you.